Kabini cia kuregana na wathani wa William Ruto ni cikunyitithitio thinga mwena wa gicua-ini umuthi. Raila Odinga agituranirwo hamwe gikavu-ini giki kumana na uteteri wake wa thirikari. Maraiga miaka itatu ya William Ruto eyoirwo ni merira kumana na wathani moru uria kuringana nao wagirirwo kuinukia Ruto hatari nganja.
We the one-term team will do everything to ensure we send home not just William Ruto with his two-term partners. That we are prepared to do.
It is not that we're going to be on the road forever. We must change tact. And because for example, while he was away, our teams were tear gas, almost killed in Muranga, remember? All right? In Subukia, constitutionalism. If I read these 10 points that Raila and William Ruto seem to have agreed on, one of them is constitutionalism, the right to assembly. Why is it? Or does it only apply to ODM and to UDA? It must apply to everybody.
Oho ni manyururitie murugamo wa Raila Odinga wa kwarahura kabini cia Ruto cia mwaka wa 2027. Riria Kenya mathiite na mbere kunyamarika kumana na ngarama ya iguru ya muturire na wagarari wa ihoto cia umundo.
In Homa Bay yesterday, the campaign for re-election of William Ruto began with Raila Amolo Odinga making it clear he left us in Azimio and he joined the broad-based government. So far he has been dilly-dallying, giving false hope to those of us who are in Azimio that maybe one day he'll come back to the opposition, to the side of the people. Today, from his own mouth, yesterday in Homa Bay, we know that Raila Odinga will stand with William Ruto in 2027 and beyond.
Nimoritie mwariki munene kiama-ini kia ODM Edwin Sifuna kuyeheria kiama-ini kia ODM kona Raila Odinga daroneka kugia na kioneki kia ODM kuhuranira giturwa kia president.
We want to ask Edwin Sifuna, we heard him say the other day, that if Raila Odinga is going to support William Ruto, that is the time he is going to depart from ODM. My brother Sifuna, they say the truth in the pudding is in the eating, unless you eat your own words. Would like to see all those who have been misled to believe Raila Odinga will one day abandon William Ruto and come back to join the one-term team, that Raila is not on the one-term team, he's on the two-term team.
Mufango wa thirikari wa gucangira andu a gikiro gia thi mbeca ukimurikwo na njira nene mung'ethaniro ukiuga gaka kaya gukorwo kario gacira ga kungumia kigina kia muingi makigeria kumahendereria na mbembe ta nguku.
This change is coming. We want to guarantee them. And this is why in the spirit of Gen Z, lazima endelee. In my view, it is a matter of extreme patriotic duty to ensure that this government is out.
Nimariganite na rivoti cia ati mung'ethaniro wina ngui kuma Gachagua thicera bũrũri-inĩ wa Amerika makiuga no marathie na mbere kwivanga niguo gukainukia Ruto mwaka wa 2027 niguo bũrũri uhone.